Welcome back to Mr. English Pro, your daily English learning podcast.
Hello everyone, I'm Alex. Welcome back to Mr. English Pro. Today my friend Sophia and I are going to a coffee shop. If you're learning English, this lesson is perfect for you. Listen carefully, repeat after us, and imagine you're with us. Let's go. Hi, Sophia.
Hi, Alex.
Hi, Sophia. How are you today?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm doing very well. It's a beautiful day.
Yes, it is. I'm happy to see you.
I'm happy to see you too.
Are you ready for some coffee?
Of course. I love coffee.
Me too.
Let's go inside.
Wow, this coffee shop is beautiful.
Yes, I really like this place.
It smells wonderful.
Fresh coffee always smells good.
There are many people here.
Yes, it's a popular coffee shop.
I can see that.
Let's find a table.
Sure. How about that table?
The one near the window.
Yes.
That's a great choice.
Let's sit there.
Okay.
This chair is comfortable.
Yes, I like sitting by the window.
Me too.
Look, here comes the waiter.
Waiter, good afternoon. Welcome. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you today?
I'm doing well.
I'm doing great.
Waiter. That's wonderful. Here is the menu.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Waiter. Take your time. I'll be back in a minute.
Let's look at the menu.
There are so many drinks.
Yes, what would you like?
I'm not sure. Everything looks delicious.
I think I'll order a latte.
Good choice. I think I'll order a cappuccino.
Excellent. Would you like something to eat?
Yes, maybe a blueberry muffin.
That sounds delicious.
What about you?
I'd like a chocolate cookie.
I love chocolate cookies.
They're my favorite.
The waiter is coming back.
Waiter. Are you ready to order?
Yes, please. I'd like a large latte.
Waiter. Certainly. And for you?
I'd like a small cappuccino.
Waiter. Anything to eat?
Yes, one blueberry muffin, please.
And one chocolate cookie, please.
Waiter. Perfect. Your order will be ready soon.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Waiter. You're welcome.
Now we wait.
I'm excited.
Me too.
I think this coffee is going to be amazing.
I think so too.
Now Daily English at a Coffee Shop, Part 2.
Our drinks will be ready in a few minutes. While we are waiting, let's practice some easy English together.
That's a great idea because I always want to learn English from real conversations.
Real conversations are the best way to improve your English because you hear words that people use every day.
Sometimes I understand English very well, but I don't know what to say when someone starts talking to me.
Don't worry because many English learners feel the same way in the beginning.
Really?
Yes, and the secret is to practice simple sentences every single day.
That makes me feel much better because I thought I was the only one.
You are definitely not alone.
Alex, do you come to this coffee shop often?
Yes, I come here almost every weekend because it is quiet, comfortable, and the coffee is always fresh.
I can understand why you like this place because it feels warm and relaxing.
Exactly. A good place can make you feel happy and comfortable while you are talking with your friends.
I also notice that many people are working on their laptops.
Yes, many people enjoy studying or working in coffee shops because the atmosphere helps them stay focused.
Thank you so much, Alex, for having this wonderful coffee shop conversation with me today. I hope everyone watching this video learned many useful English sentences that they can use in a real coffee shop. Remember, learning English is not only about studying grammar rules or memorizing hundreds of words. It is about practicing small conversations again and again until speaking feels natural and comfortable.
I agree, Sophia. Before this conversation, I thought ordering coffee in English would be difficult because I was worried about making mistakes. But now I feel more confident because I learned simple sentences like asking for a drink, choosing a size, and having a friendly conversation with the person at the counter.
That is the most important thing, Alex. Mistakes are a normal part of learning. Every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. The more you practice, the better you become. So, if you visit a coffee shop, do not be afraid to use English. Start with simple sentences, smile, and enjoy the conversation.
Yes, and everyone watching this video should practice with us. You can pause the video, repeat the sentences, and imagine that you are sitting in a real coffee shop. This small practice can help you build confidence every day.
Exactly. Thank you for watching Mr. English Pro. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember that every small conversation brings you one step closer to speaking English naturally. See you in the next lesson. Have a great day, everyone. Goodbye.